Where's he at?
Right there. You want to leave after 3 times, then you
right
touch me, and you touch my other bartender.
Go ahead and put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Hey, man, what?
Come over here.
What the hell happened? Hey, what happened? For your eye. Yo, what happened?
Look at the wall.
Yo, what?
Look at the wall. Put your hand behind your back.
What the hell happened? Yo, what the hell happened?
Just come with me.
Shut up, man. What the hell happened?
You're just being detained right now.
Yeah, but why?
Well, so he
What?
he got in an altercation.
No, I didn't.
All right. Come over here. We're gonna listen. Listen. I want you to talk.
Yeah.
How much have you had to drink tonight?
Nothing, man.
Nothing. Are you on any medication or any type of drugs? Because you're acting impaired. We just want to make for your well-being is what we're worried about. Have you been drinking? You smell like it.
No.
You haven't had anything to drink?
No.
Where were you coming from?
Dude, I just came from there.
What's there?
You got him while I go figure out what.
Yeah, go ahead. Hey, unlock your car because I'm going to put him in it once we're done.
Dude, what happened?
I'm just going to secure you right now. We're trying to figure out what's going on.
That's fine.
Alright? I'm going to be honest with you. That's why. I'm telling you everything. I'm Officer Goins again. You got anything in your boots? Nothing? No extra knives? Nothing?
No, man. Dude, what the fuck?
We're trying to figure out. They're saying you're up here trying to cause a fight.
Dude.
What's going on? What happened? Somebody talking trash to you? Walking by? Were you trying to at the bar?
Dude, you know I'm not.
I don't know who you are. Who are you? What's your name?
Dude, my name is Joe, man.
Gerald or Joe?
No, my name is Joe.
Joe.
Come on, dude.
Okay, right now you're just secured. You're not under arrest.
Dude, what the fuck happened here?
Well, you tell me.
Yo, bro. Yo, man. Like, what are you gonna do?
Well, right now you're gonna be under arrest for narcotics that I found in your back pocket.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Hey.
What do you mean?
I will stop resisting.
Dude,
Don't pull up.
Dude, I'm not doing anything, man. Like, you know this.
Hey, 27A? I got narcotics on him anyways. He got cocaine in his back pocket.
Dude, I don't even
Step
know.
in the back of the car.
Wait, I don't even know what you're talking about.
Okay, that's fine. Turn around, face me. Squat.
Dude,
Squat.
I'll squat, but come on, man.
I'll talk to you here in a second.
I mean, do you really even know what I'm talking about? Man.
He hasn't been drinking. He's under cocaine.
Dude, no, but what are you even?
I'm gonna be honest with you. Put your feet in.
How many good cops you ever see stop a bad cop from being a bad cop? I've done it many a times. I've done it. You know what I got? You know what I received? Yo, whose side you on? I'd be like, yo, I'm on the right side. The dude's in cuffs. What you hitting for? What is the problem? He ran from us. What does that mean? He ran from us. We got to tune him up. I said, what training? I didn't get that in the academy. We have a problem that needs to be addressed. And until we start having these conversations, right, until the rest of the world start having these conversations, we're always going to have this problem when it comes down to policing.